What's up, guys? So we are talking studio connections today. Our first one up is we got to talk a little bit about how we connect our microphones in the studio. And so this is a big piece. We're going to talk about microphones tomorrow. So we talk about input and output transducers pretty thoroughly. But one of the things about microphones is very specific, is they actually use a 3-pin connector. So the most important piece about that is you need to walk away understanding that the cable connector type that we use to make that connection is called XLR. And the XLR is both keyed, which means it has a little key here that allows it only to be put in one location, and it also has male and female ends. So the tips of this are not interchangeable, although you can daisy chain them. They do connect specifically to microphones, and they are analog and they carry power to the mic. One other thing that you're going to see in the future is you can actually use an XLR to do a digital communication called AES EBU. More on that later.